Hello everyone, let's solve this simple question on the board. We have 4th root of x raised to the x power, okay, equals x raised to the power of root x, that's square root of x. So we can just apply laws of exponent, but first let me change this to the left hand side. To, we have x raised to the power of x, so this will be raised to the 1 over 4, to the power of 1 over 4, and it will be equals to x raised to the power of root x. Okay, so if I multiply the powers, okay, using power product property for exponent. So in this case, we're going to have x raised to the power of x over 4, and this will be equals to x raised to the power of root x. Okay, now same base on both sides. Okay, that is applying the property that if you have a raised to the power of n equals to a raised to the power of n, then it means we're going to equate the what? The exponent. So this will be x over 4 equals to root x, Okay, now, so what to do from here is, let me square both sides. So squaring both sides, so this will be x over 4 raised to the power of 2 equals to square root of x raised to the power of 2. So this will be x squared over 16, and this will be equals to x. Okay, this will be equals to x because square of root x will be x. Now I can cross multiply. So this will be x squared, okay, equals to 16x. Okay, and this will be x squared minus 16x equals to 0. X, open parentheses, x minus 16. This will be equals to 0. X equals to 0. This will be rejected because if we put the value of x into the original question, then we are not going to what? It will not satisfy the equation. So we have x equals to 0 is not a solution. Okay, but x minus 16 equals to 0. We have x equals to 16. X will be equals to 16. So the value of x is 16. Okay, so let's verify our answer. Yeah, we have the 4th root of x raised to the power of x equals to x raised to the power of square root of x. So because the value of x is 16, so it means this will be the 4th root of 16 raised to the power of 16. Okay, will it be equals to, this is 16 raised to the power of root 16. Okay, now this again will be 16 raised to the power of 16 multiplied by 1 over 4. Now is it equals to 16 raised to the power of square root of 16 is 4. And this is 16 times 1, 16, divided by 4, that will be 4. So this will be 16 raised to the power of 4 equals to 16 raised to the power of 4. So which means that the left hand side, okay, is equals to the right hand side. So the value of x which satisfies this equation is 16. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.